The starry sky is brilliant, adorned with twinkling lights. The craftsmanship is ingenious, refined over the years. New Yuan jar is entirely made of stainless steel, effectively extending its service life. Utilizing the double-screw rotor structure, material lifting and liquor flowing are more uniform. And there is no material retention, ensuring lifting without crushing and mixing without dead zones. The liquid addition system utilizes multiple sets of specially crafted fuel injection components, ensuring convenient and quick cleaning, as well as excellent sealing performance. By combining multiple nozzles, stepless control of liquid addition ranging from 1% to 36% can be achieved, ensuring optimal atomization and spraying effects, and achieving more uniform liquid spraying. Discharge flat door adopts a uniquely designed discharge door mechanism, ensuring no residue after discharge, convenient maintenance, and stable and reliable use. New Yuan jar is driving technological innovation with its three core advantages: precise spraying, uniform oil spraying, and stable operation.